Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and in this video we will see how to model a dog-leg staircase in ETABS method 2. Basically, in the previous video, in the day 66, we have seen that how to model a dog-leg staircase with the method 1. Okay, so with the method 1 we have modeled this staircase. This was the method 1, how to draw model it. So basically for the model 2, that is the method 2, we will be basically dealing here with this part only. Same model, same thing, but the different approach. How it will be doing, let's get started. We will be doing it in this model only. Just go to this unextruded view, go to unextruded view, then go to this plan. In it plan we go to the first floor, just click on apply, and here the staircase we have made is here. Now we will make a staircase here on this side. Okay, we will see, or just say escape it, and let's say we will make here only. Just select this part, or here in this first of all we will be select show all objects, and this much part is being seen properly. And here we will see that in the all story format, select this slab area and delete this portion, and you can see that the portion is being deleted here. Okay, then after we will be just selecting this much part. Okay, then just right click and just choose here as the show selected object only. In the all story format, show selected object only. Okay, now go to this 3D view, and you can see that this 3D portion is being shown properly here. Same way we have to do this for the 3D view also. So go to this get previous selection and just right click and show selected object only. We will be see for this part, and then we will be move further for the other part. Means see what will be the steps. So this we have to get the set grid visibility. This is basically for the grid visibility. So we have to on here the set grid. To on the grids, we have to just click here on the set grid system visibility. Just click on it. It has been added to this 3D view. This part we want it to this part. Once I can just choose this. It is not selecting for this. Why it is not selecting? Let it be. Just and if just delete that part and just choose here as the set grid visibility, and you can see that this part has been seen perfectly. Now we need to add the reference plane here. In this panel we will be dealing here with the reference plane. Here we in the method 1 we have deal with the midpoint. Now we will be dealing with the reference plane for the same model, same staircase, and same details. Okay, so for that we will go to this edit, or we should make let it be here. We go to this edit. For the reference plane we just go to edit. In it edit we go to the edit stories and the grid system. Then a window will open of the edit stories and the grid system data. Here in it the second option, present of the grid system, that is the G1. We have to just click here on the modify show grid system. Just choose it, and then after here is the option, window will open of the grid system data. Here we can change the all the detail, what to add, what to not. And here is the option of the click to modify show. Here we can add two parts, that is the reference point and the reference plane. Here we will be dealing for this part, we require a reference plane. So we will be just choosing here as the reference plane. Just click here on the reference plane. Then a window will open like this of the reference plane, and here we can see that the location of the reference plane horizontal is being seen here, and you can see that no details are being present here. So we have to add perfectly what are the details. Just click here on the add, and here we have to provide the details like at what distance you want the reference plane. Basically we take it as the 0 here for the foundation level. Then after this height is basically of the 3 meter of us, right? This height is about 3 meter from the foundation level to the ground floor, and ground floor to this first floor the height is about 3 meter, means 3 plus 3, that is the 6 meter. And we want a reference plane between this ground floor and the first floor. So we will be taking here as the reference plane point as the reference plane. Just click here on the reference plane, then the window will open. Here just if nothing is shown, just click on this add. First of all I will delete, then like this will be shown. Just click on this add, and you here we have to put the value, that is the 4.5 meter. It will be in the meter. The reference plane will be act like this, and just click on OK. Just click on OK, and here just choose as the refresh view, and you can see that when you move down in the perfect format for it, you can see that this is the foundation level, this is the ground floor, this is the first floor, and this is the reference plane which is present here. This is the second method we are dealing. Okay, so basically this is our model. and here we require this reference plane. So you can see that this part is getting complicated, so I will just rotate it, and you can see that reference plane is seen perfectly. Now the further step, what to add, just the material are being defined perfectly. Just choose here as the quick draw beams. Here we can deal with the quick draw beams, and here we have to choose the property as the beam 200 cross 300, and just select this beam. Okay, and we should be selecting it in the one story format. Just Ctrl Z and just choose here as the one story, and here just select this beam, and you can see that the beam has been selected. Okay, like this way the reference plane works. Then after, just choose this beam, and then go to edit. In edit we go to replicate. In replicate we have to choose here as the in which direction we want this to move on. We want it in the +1 format, plus dx. This is the increment data. You have seen in the previous video that we have dealt it with the -1, but because it was moving to the this x direction, but it is moving now away to the x direction. You can see this x grid, x axis. You can see that it is we need in this front way, so we have to put here as the plus value 1. Just click on apply, and you can see that 1 meter has been replicated frontly. Okay, like this way it works. Just click on close. Then after, we need to model it perfectly. The this landing slab, for the landing slab we just choose here as the draw floors. In it we choose here as the property as the slab 125 mm two-way, and that we have defined in the previous video. If you have any doubt, just watch that previous video. Okay, just select four ends, and the slab is been made. Okay, like this it works. The same way we will be making the waist slab. Okay, the waist slab concept I have cleared perfectly in the previous video. This is the landing slab, right? This is the total dogleg staircase. We delete. This is the west. This landing portion is called as the waist slab, and this is the total part. Okay, like this. This is the mid landing. Okay, and this slope is called as the waist slab. Okay, we will now deal here in this format. Just choose here as the loading has been applied here. Means the this what this mid span is been put here. Mid landing slab is this is the mid landing slab. Okay, just go to our model. This mid landing slab is being perfectly made. Now we have to add the further details to it. So means this add means we have to make the waist slab. For the waist slab, we just go to this draw floors. In it we just to go for this choose this part, and choose this part, this 4 edge, because we have added the on this midpoint. So snap we have on the snap options, so this midpoint is seen. Just choose these 4 points for the midpoint, and choose the last point, and the slab is not made. Okay, let it be. Some problem will be there. So how to do it, once again we will be seeing. This portion has not been selected. Why? Just delete it. Looks like there is a problem. Okay, let it be. So how to add the waist slab? Just go to this quick draw floors. In it we choose the property as the slab 125 mm two-way. In it we have to choose the 4 points. Okay, just 1 point, second, third point, this fourth point, and we have to choose the 5th point as the start point. Just choose this point, and you can see that the waist slab has been made perfectly. Same way we have to make the above above part. Okay, same way with the first point, second point, third point, and choosing this midpoint as this one part, and just click here, and you can see that the waist slab has been made perfectly with the second method. Okay, like this way we make the slab. Okay, means the staircase or dogleg staircase. Just you can see that this beam is present, but we don't want this beam, because we don't provide a extra beam here in this section. Okay, because it is only for the support, for making drawing the part, but for the actual purpose we don't provide here the beam. Okay, the beam is present here. Okay, just now what to do, how to replicate it? Just select the 1 2 3 part, 3 slabs are being selected, and one more slab, one more beam we should select. That this is the mid landing slab beam. That just select it by just zooming it, and you can see that the beam is being selected. After that we need to replicate this part to the above stories. To replicate the part, just to go to this edit. In edit we go for the replicate. Here is the option of the replicate, just click on it the same way in the previous video that we have dealt. Thus it is the same purpose. Okay, just after that we have to choose this first floor, second floor and terrace level, and just click on this apply, and you can see that the terrace level all these details have been perfectly seen. Okay, like this way it works. And we have seen the two way, both the ways. Okay, right click and click on the show all object, and you can see that the two slabs have been made perfectly. Okay, you can see it in the extruded view also. You can see it in the extruded, just to go to here, and you can see that the extruded view is been seen perfectly here of the staircase. Like this way we make the staircase in ETABS. Okay, to see it in more detail, just for this slab you just on this part, and you can see that this part is being seen perfectly here in the extruded format, and this is the whole point of making this. Okay, like this way it works. We have seen the two ways, and we have modeled two dogleg staircase in here. Okay, this is the foundation level, this is the ground floor over which we go up and up. Okay, like this way it is dealt. Now we see the further part, that one more thing to be noted, that I have launched this series. Okay, over of this post series, in which I have taken the question for the structural engineer, and whoever is trying to be a structural engineer. I have made a whole series of this post that I have told you in the last video also. In it we are going to deal here in the all the ways, means all the question. Just we have to just click here. Looks like there is the internet problem, it is not reloading. Let it be. Before and one more thing, this present here in this, that I have launched our course, that is the complete ETABS course from 0 to hero. Here we will be seeing a complete detail of the how the ETABS actually works in this course. Okay, so currently I have made about 11 hours of the content, and you can see that currently I have completed 4 models, and we are going to do here as the 7 to 8 models, and all these details are being seen here. Okay, all this concept I have clear completely, that 8 hour this in detail. Okay, no other means online course has not been taught in this much detail. Okay, this is the not theory purpose, it is the less theory and more practical. We are currently here, we have dealt with the gravity loads, but in the upcoming videos we will be seeing for the more details, like the advanced part, means the earthquake and the wind loads, earthquake loads, and we will be seeing all the steps. Okay, so basically we are going with you can see that this is the course, and I will provide you a detailed description, this link of this course in the description box. It is present on the Udemy platform. When you just go to this Udemy and just enter the ETABS, looks like there is an internet problem here. Oh, let it be. Here I will provide you a link, and then after you can see that you can directly go to this complete ETABS course from 0 to here. You can view the whatever detail we are going to do. Okay, so basically we are, if you are interested in this course, don't be hesitate, that it will be a profitable course. Okay, it is just for the minimal prices, about 400 rupees, and if the Udemy increases the prices, just comment it or use my code, or that will be I will provide in the description box, and you will get this course at the minimal prices. It will be able to get the course in the minimal prices if only you add up, means go from my description link. Okay, so that's it. And one more thing, that currently we have choose here as the 4 models. We will be going for the 3 to 4 models, and it will be about 20 hours of the content. Okay, so take it. And one more thing, that we have launched our test series. In it I am uploading 3 to 4 MCQ question daily. Looks like means it is in the quiz format, that it will be a question given, and then after some 4 options are being present here in the form of the MCQ, and you have to answer it. You can choose any of the option that you seem correctly, and if you choose the correct, it will show in the green signal, green form, and if you choose it in the wrong, it will form in the cross or the red format, and if it is wrong, it will provide you a explanation that why it is the correct answer, and its explanation why it is there. Okay, like this way we have completed our the two methods. Okay, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video.